just got fuel for the bikes, and now we're headed to Slinky's house. So I'll pick you guys up on the GoPro whenever we get there. Alright, we are at Slinky's, obviously. We got Mac's bike out here. You got mine. I got my suspension on. This is like the first ride with it. I don't know what Slinky's doing. He's getting something in his house, I think. But we let the bikes warm up. See how we're feeling today. Oh, wait. I think my tire's flat. We're getting there. It's a little flat. Hey, bud. You got air compressor? Hey, safety first.
Okay.
Oh no. That van kind of scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Who thinks Slinky should buy a pit bike? A pit bike or a big bike? Because he sold his dirt bike. Or a four-wheeler. Which one? I need exhaust on mine so I can sound that cool. The next video will be another Windrock video, so y'all stay tuned for that one. That one's gonna be fun. I ain't been there in a while. Motels. Slinky gonna get run over by a car. Nope, him didn't get run over by a car. Oh no! Ah! I'm getting good. Oh no, car! That ain't a car. That's a big ass truck. Hey, it's a little wet. I don't want to slide off the road. Yeah, that one's faster than mine for sure. Or it might just be because I'm a fat ass. You wanna ride this one?
Sure.
My front brake is like not really there, so. Alright, mine is too. Yeah, I need to
No.
like tighten it up. Hey! Ah! I can't hit it! Alright, screw it. Dude, the only thing that sucks about these bars, I can't take this grip off. I had to beat it on with a hammer. And it's loose, like as loose as it'll go.
Yeah.
That's why it's broke. I had to hit it with a hammer. She wasn't supposed to notice it, and then she did.
There's no grip, no glory. You got the grip.
I don't know about the glory. Huh? Oh, this throttle is just so damn. What in the I need crack money was that?
I have no idea.
Oh. Ah, damn it. As long as I can wheelie both of them pretty good, I'm alright. Oh no. I got arm pumped so bad right now. Like I'm feeling it on this side. Like it's stiff as crap. Poke that thing. It kind of hurts.
It looks like it's pooped up. Dang.
It's just.
It's big.
Uh-oh, we got a truck. Oh my gosh. I gotta take a break for a minute. I feel like I need to turn the idle up a little bit on this thing. Ah! I'm gonna air my tire up and try it on mine. A little bit. That one was pretty good. Huh? Hell yeah, they are. Damn, I was about to hit it, son. I was about to dump it in the second and take off. Oh! third.